Okay, dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The video is about another website that displays intrusive web push notifications. This time the website is called rasclassignn.info. It says that it wants to show notifications, and obviously the trick is that you click on the allow button. However, it is strongly advised that you do not click on this allow button, because otherwise your browser will be hijacked. It will be infected by malware, by malicious websites, by potentially unwanted programs, and you will be really fed up to close these pop-up windows. They will be just distracting your attention essentially. So I recommend that you do not click on this allow button. In fact, I strongly urge you not to do that. Now, if you have done that by mistake, your browser may redirect you to some other dangerous resources. Now, you need to do the following to disable these pop-ups manually. Go to your browser menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Advanced, select Site Settings, and now choose Notifications. In the bottom part of the page you will see this website. You need to click here and to select Remove. Okay, this manual removal has been done. I also recommend that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus, downloadable through the website combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner is a great antivirus that might help to fix your Mac and to clean your Mac from other possible adware or malware. I recommend you to use this program that will help you to boost the performance of your Mac. After you download the program through this website, combocleaner.com, this is the way it looks like, Combo Cleaner Premium. It has got two versions, the trial one and the premium one, which is powered with antivirus function. Scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner is a good idea and a great choice, because Combo Cleaner is a very powerful software that may detect all possible contemporary threats that are tailored specifically for Mac, and it will help you to remove them with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.